Hello, this is Kenneth Wong, contributing editor for Desktop Engineering magazine. I'd like to invite you into a living room. Not mine, because mine's too messy to receive guests, but a virtual living room. At first glance, you might say, well, so it's a 3D image. Anybody with enough time and a good piece of modeling software can create one of those. What's the big deal? This happens to be interactive. Let me show you what I mean. We'll come here and change the scene from view-only mode to interact mode. Now we can pan, zoom, and walk in the room with our mouse. Still, you might say, oh well, you have the scene pre-rendered with a decent polygon count. I'm not going to be impressed by that. Well, fine then. You're making me mad, so let me go berserk. Let me grab that chair and toss it. Let me turn that table upside down. And let me really show you what I mean. See how the lamp reacts to the chair? Now you realize this scene has built-in physics in it, which lets objects behave the way you would expect them to behave when you kick it or toss it across the floor. But that's not even the most impressive thing of all. The kicker is this. This is all taking place in real time, inside a browser window, over the web, on Facebook. You see, the 3D model of this scene doesn't exist in my hard drive. According to the developer of this application, it lives somewhere in a server in Vancouver, hundreds of miles away from my San Francisco apartment. This interactive remote 3D application, now available on Facebook, is called Immersion, put together using technologies from AutoCAD and Unity, among others. AutoCAD provides Live Web, a real-time 3D visualization platform. Unity provides the physics behind the scene. That's what makes the chair fall the way it does and the lamp shade swing the way it does. What AutoCAD is showing and proposing is zero-weight 3D over the web. In other words, this is a 3D experience that doesn't need to install a plugin, doesn't need a download. Your 3D experience begins once you click on a link and gets to its target inside a browser window. Bear in mind, however, this code is alpha code, not beta code, alpha code, so it's not as smooth as you might expect a finished product to be, and depending on the number of simultaneous people using and accessing the same virtual data, you might see some slowdown and some awkward navigation experience. AutoCAD recently struck up a partnership with Open Design Alliance, so we can expect some Open Design Alliance members, many of whom are involved in developing 3D CAD software, to put this platform to good use. If they don't, you should demand that they do, because it's too great an opportunity to ignore. I'll post a link to this application on my blog and on Desktop Engineering's Facebook fan page, so if you cannot find it on your own, come look for it there. Till next time, this is Kenneth Wong for Desktop Engineering magazine, crashing his way into a virtual living room somewhere.